Nandito na naman si kami. Ayun o, yung Cayman Rock na yun. Tapos, ito yung where's the little Cayman? The hair is still dark. What the time now? Ang oras natin ngayon is 5:31. Yun ang moon o. It's the moon and the sun is coming. There's the Cayman Rock over that side. Now it's raining now.